Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. So this happens when you have blocked someone already and you want to block them again within 48 hours. What you need to do is, as you can see, I have blocked this person, and when I click on unblock, or it will be unblocked, and this will show that you will be able to unblock this person within like after 48 hours. As you can see, I click on unblock, and here you will see, please remember, you will have to wait 48 hours before you can re-block this person. So let's say I unblocked this person and it got unblocked. And now if I want to block someone, simply go to your Facebook profile and choose, let's say I choose this guy from this list, and I open his profile. Simply click on three dots and choose report profile. And once you choose report profile, let's say uh, posting inappropriate things, let's say this one, and from here you will be able to choose this option, blocks profile. So click on this and block and confirm, and it will take few seconds and done. So that is how you can block someone again within the 48 hours on Facebook.